good afternoon. I'm Rubilin Gonzaga po from World Vision.
I'm Leia Paspas from World Vision 2.
Yeah. And we're helping po mga organic farmers sa aming mga different area programs na kung saan po is nakakalat sa buong Pilipinas. And we're happy to visit Laudato Si Farm, organic farm, and we share the same vision for our farmers to have a very sustainable initiative on farming. So, ibalik po natin yung natural na pamamaraan ng ating farming, and we're happy and we're very positive na hopefully will be part of this farm field school na ginagawa po ng Laudato Si Farm dito sa SCTV. Natutuwa po kami sa advocacy nila to integrate yung spirituality doon sa mga farmers, and malaking tulong po siya sa amin, especially sa akin po, na we're also helping farmers, and we wanted to integrate yung spirituality po doon sa pagpa-farm ng mga farmers natin, because we know naman po we have this climate change happening right now, and we wanted to have a sustainable na mga programs. And I know itong ginagawa po dito sa Laudato Si Farm is very helpful po para sa aming mga farmers.